The market of NFTs grew to $40 billion thanks to it that people have managed to sell themselves a recording of fart for $85, a picture of digital toilet paper with flowers on it for $4,100 and a simple 20-letter tweet for $2.9 million. So there is super strange stuff happening in this world of Homo sapiens. Let's find out what are NFTs, top 5 most expensive NFT projects, the problem, and finally how to buy an NFT. Do keep watching this video till end as I have a bonus takeaway to look when buying an NFT. NFTs, aka non-fungible tokens, are digital piece of art. It could be just a JPEG or short GIF or video or anything. So the tokens are non-fungible here. For example, if I buy one Bitcoin and I sell it and I buy another one, no matter at what price, I will still have one Bitcoin. Because it is fungible, there are 21 million of them out there. NFTs are unique and cannot be replicated. The ownership and transactions are recorded on blockchain. It is impossible to create same NFTs. It could be so similar that we couldn't even notice the difference, but it can't be the same. And if you are wondering who are buying these, nobody in 2014 believed in Bitcoin, and look at them now. They're all buying. As the world believes, and sometimes unbelievable things happen. Like a sub to the channel would be unbelievably fungible, and a like would be appreciable. Now looking at top 5 expensive NFT projects, starting with number 5. This guy with the hat, looking as I stole his kidney, 23.7 million for it. Number 4 is this video here. It is moving 3D sculpture. Only the video, not the sculpture, goes for 30 million. Number 3, a clock called Pax Clock was sold for $52.7 million. Number 2, collection from same artist as 3D sculptures, B2Ps. This art is 5,000 pieces of his work. Starting from 2007, he pledged to create one piece of art every day, and this is the result. Needless to say, it was worth the effort. This one goes for $69.3 million. And the unbelievable ones. Park's piece, the merge which officially became the most expensive NFT projects. I can't believe this I'm saying, got sold for $91.8 million. Godsy, this is big. But looking at problems which can be highlighted. Firstly, as NFT could be anything as long as it's an asset which you can store digitally, but there is a problem being to plagiarism that people could sell the content even if it doesn't belong to them. This is like stealing assignment from other classmates and presenting it to get marks. Second challenge faced in NFT marketplace is uncertainty in determining the price of NFT. Now the price of NFT will depend on creativity, uniqueness, scarcity of buyers and owners, and a lot more factors. These are considerable fluctuations in prices of NFT because there is no fixed standard for any particular type of NFT. People can't determine the factors that might drive the price of NFT. Due to this, the fluctuation in prices remain constant and evaluation of NFT becomes a big challenge. Thirdly, as most NFTs are created on Ethereum blockchain, which is expensive to use because users pay Ethereum miners to make their transactions. This is nice decentralized way to do things, but the cost has gotten out of hand. Transactions can cost nearly 1,500 to 2,000 rupees or even more to simply own an NFT. And mining itself is very energy intensive process. The solution for both of these problems is to move to more modern blockchains like Matic that uses proof of stake system which has fast free transactions and very low usage of energy. Other issue people with NFT is how tedious and technical the process of creating and purchasing of them is. This is really short-term problem. If you think about the first version of internet or your digital smartphone and look at your browser or iPhone today, a lot has changed in just a few years. Blockchain needs that layer of professional, commercial level usability work that other technology has benefited from already. And this will happen as usage grows. Unsurprisingly, NFTs can also be used to launder money. It goes like this. You have acquired a large sum of money illegally, but you want the authorities to think that you earned it by doing business legally. To that end, you create 2 separate accounts on NFT marketplace like OpenSea. One of the accounts is under your real name and auctions off a low effort piece of art. You then use the other account to purchase the artwork from yourself, funneling those ill-gotten gains into your wallet under the guise of seamless legitimate transactions. Since the value of piece of artwork is completely subjective and NFT marketplaces are freely accessible to anyone with an Ethereum wallet, there is no reliable way to differentiate between legal and illegal transactions. Regulatory oversight of NFTs is lagging behind, making the NFT market a temporary safe haven for criminals. Now, value of NFT is driven because of its scarcity. The scarcity defines the value of NFT and has potential to appreciate over time. Number 2 is collectability. Like baseball cards, art, uniques, antiques, NFTs are popular digital collectibles offering a unique niche for directors. Number 3 is offer utility. Some types of NFT provide utility, such as in-game items, avatars, weapons, trinkets, and even virtual real estate like Decentraland and Sandbox. Now, exactly how to buy an NFT. Number 1 is set up a crypto wallet. For you to buy an NFT, you need to first purchase some cryptocurrencies and link it to your funded cryptocurrency wallet. You can buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum from Ethereum blockchain. Essentially, your digital wallet is the place you can keep your cryptocurrencies, a place to send or receive, and your funds to purchase crypto apps and services. Once you set up and fund your original digital wallet, then it becomes an easy process to buy an NFT. Later on, when you have collected some NFTs, they will be stored inside your MetaMask wallet or digital wallet. There are several digital wallets out there such as Coinbase wallet, the Ethereum network, and others. Number 2 is choose an NFT marketplace. There are several top NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea, Rarible, Axie Marketplace, or TopShot NBA that sell NFTs. And then connect your digital wallet to marketplace. OpenSea is considered the largest peer-to-peer NFT marketplace out there, allowing users to interact with and exchange NFTs from numerous different marketplaces and blockchain. Once you have set up and connected with a marketplace to buy, sell, trade, and NFTs, find an NFT you like. Remember, for your NFT purchase to attract higher prices in the future, you will need to choose ones that are popular and are going viral and are rare. Another tip is to find collections early on, and is preferably rare, that would increase the chances that you would make a great return out of it. And finally, place a bid and complete the transaction, and finally the NFT is yours. Now, few bonus takeaways before buying an NFT. The best way to decide a marketplace is to consider the following factors. Starting off with number 1, deciding the type of NFT you like. Looking for, not all NFTs are created equal. Some are sought while others are popular among niche markets. Now, fees charged by NFT marketplaces is high. Called gas fees, well, its amount of computing need to make a transaction, well, that is high. They may vary from marketplace to marketplace. Be sure that the marketplace you choose does not charge a heck lot of amount of money for transaction fees, and choose a secure marketplace. Scams can be prevalent in digital economy. Make sure that the marketplace that you choose to buy your NFT from ensures that your data is protected and the NFTs you buy is secure. Now, to know more about Big Daddy, the Bitcoin, click here. Until then, my name is Vishal. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next.